is a Baja 90cc Dirt Warrior, and it has a 90cc motor made by Baja Motorsports, and 90cc, 90 centimeters, cubic centimeters, is about 60 inches tall, and it has 14-inch tires. It has a top speed of 55 miles per hour. Its gas tank holds 1.5 gallons, and it's a 90cc 4-speed. With it has its brake fluid in the handlebar, the on switch and the off switch right here. This is for on, this is for off. It has a throttle twist and the front brake. It has here the back brake starting pedal for the kickstart. It has here the to shift up, to shift down, and here we have our suspension levers. Here in the back, here we have our spring first suspension right in there, and we have a nice seat. It costs for close to about $900, brand new from the store, and it's a really good bike in my opinion. It's great for mudding, any type of sport, off-road, on-road. Great for like we have compounds. This bike is not street legal. As I said, it was a 90cc. It has an engine plate to protect the engine from any damages like rocks that could be in the dirt. And it's a really good bike. I recommend these to any beginner rider for dirt bikes. I hope this was informative.